Alright, girls and boys, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Rod Wave here, Come See Me. Alright, so nice song here. It goes in the same with your entire song. We love that. And very easy chords as well. And we're even going clean here, so no need for any capo. It's just to start right away. So let's take a look at the chords. And we have three chords: C major 7, E minor, and G. So starting with C major, it's the third on A, second on D, and then open G, B, and E. So the last three strings open there. Move on here to the E minor, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And we have the final G left, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so we have a simple strumming pattern here, very simple, and it's divided into two different parts. So we will look at the E minor to G, the last two chords, because this is where we're gonna split the strumming here. C major goes one full strumming round, and then comes E minor part 1 and G part 2. So we'll use the E minor and G to look at the strumming here. So the E minor first, part 1, it will be down clap, and that's it. So, and then you shift quickly to G and play part 2. And you're gonna play down, down, clap, down. So part 1, E minor, down, clap, then G, down, down, clap, down. So together like this. So if we use that and connect these two parts, then you have the playing for C major. And that is actually how the song starts. You're gonna play the C major, one full round, then play E minor part 1 and G part 2. So a couple of rounds of the C major to get the feeling for the rhythm, how it sounds. A couple of rounds, it goes like this. So on. Alright guys, so songs like this, that you have a simple strumming pattern like this. Sometimes it's just my interpretation. Some people mention that in the comments, and yes, that's right. Sometimes it's not given how it should be played. You can play this in different ways. This is my way of playing this, how I would play Rod Wave's Come See Me. You can do that in different ways, of course. But anyway, this will work. So that pretty much covers Come See Me by Rod Wave. Good luck with this one, guys. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know. Thumb up this tutorial and subscribe to this channel. We're leaning towards 5,000 subscribers. Yeah, couldn't imagine that when I started. That's great. So thank you for all the support, guys. And till next time, play tuned.